Okay, we're having some computer problems, and this is a pretty important server that I'm working on here. I shouldn't actually be working on it. It should be just set up standalone, and then you can access all the programs from various websites. But I'll show you what's going on here. So I press the escape key. The login screen's going to come on, and now I'm going to press escape again. Now usually it comes up right away, but it's taking a while here. There's something wrong, and I'm not exactly sure what it is. Okay, there. Oh, wow, see? And then it logged me right back in. So it skipped the other screen. And I can't even open up a terminal. That's my problem here. So I can't do anything else, and these won't, this home folder won't open. Sorry about my cat there. She likes the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reboot in emergency mode. So all websites, all programs are shut down when I pressed one button. And we're going to launch into emergency mode, which I just learned like the other day. You just press E when the grub screen comes up. Penny, move. Right here. E. Control C for a command prompt or escape to discard edits and return to the main menu. Let's try Control X. Just start it. And so look, it pops up now, so that's great. And this happened yesterday, and I was all excited. Okay, so I don't know why it took so long to load. So here, yay, my server works. Everything is working, right? Now, but the problem is when, if I leave the computer and I come back, it'll go back to that, it'll be like locked up on the login screen. So if there's a way I could just remove the login screen, that would be ideal. But that's currently the problem that I'm having. Let's just try to reboot it just to see what happens. Maybe it'll fix something. Okay, just gonna let it boot up, see what happens here. Let's see if it fixes itself. That would be awesome if it does. Okay, so it appears to me that's working okay. So for this, it's telling me that I'm not going to lose my business. I have hundreds of man hours put into this server and software, and I don't have proper backups, okay? So if you want to do backups for me or do a tech session, we'll do them together. Let's do it. Okay, so that's good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video, and I'm going to go away for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to see if that problem is still happening at the login screen.